How to create and share WebEx meeting link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create WebEx meeting link and share it. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up WebEx, and after you open it up, make sure that you're logged in with your account. If not, create an account and make sure to log in. So once you are done, now you have to create a meeting. For that, click on schedule a meeting option from this interface right here. Now you can schedule a meeting from here. First of all, you have to add the topic. So here, add your preferred topic. Under that, you have to select date and time for your meeting. So select your preferred date and time for your meeting as well. Once you're done, here you have an option whether you want to generate a one-time meeting link or use your personal room link. So for now, we will just continue with generate a one-time meeting link. Under that, you can add a description for your meeting as well. And once you're done with all of your meeting schedule or your meeting settings, then you have to click on schedule. After that, you will have your meetings in this interface. Now to share the link for this meeting, wait for a while until it is completely scheduled. And once it is finished, now you have to click on your meeting. After that, from this interface here, go to join information. So click on this drop down here. Now here you have your meeting link. All you have to do is copy this meeting link from here. So once you have copied your meeting link, now you can share this link with anyone that you would like to join the meeting. So that's how you can create and share the meeting in WebEx, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.